In a bustling studio kitchen, a chef sketches recipes as if drafting a building, mapping flavor, texture, and visual rhythm. Each course is modular, edible architecture that assembles at the table like a living sculpture, inviting guests to interact. The chef collaborates with designers to craft reusable plating frames and color schemes that guide the palate and perception. Through precise timing and choreography, diners experience a narrative arc, from tangy opening to sweet finale without words. This approach transforms cooking presentations into immersive experiences where taste, touch, and sight are designed to tell a story.